Yo, what up everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and thankfully I can say that we reached our mark of 100 subscribers, and I know we are now past about the 120, and we are a little bit late with this video as some of you guys know, due to COVID, everything has been delayed a bit, and we've been waiting on these shirts for quite some time, and so far it's go time. So first of all, I want to thank you, and from the team also, thanks to everybody that has subscribed and is subscribing. Just rest assured, we are working on a lot more content. It's just right now with how the times are, we do have personal things that we are taking care of, but we have recorded some small clips that we're going to be including in some of the videos that we're going to be uploading. But yeah, for the most part, you guys already know what this video is about, and that is about this shirt right here. We posted it up, and now we are going live with the giveaway. To win this shirt, rules are going to be simple. Like we stated, this giveaway was targeted towards the YouTube, and mainly the YouTube channel, and that is what we are focusing on. And the way we wanted to do that is we thought that mainly if we that we would be able to access all of the subscribers that have subscribed so far, but is not allowing us in the way that, since some of you guys' accounts are set private, we cannot view your name if you are a subscriber. So the easiest way that we found and that we agreed upon in doing so, in order to pick a winner, is through our Instagram account. And you guys have access to that in the bio. The link is in the bottom in the bio, and it's pretty simple. The way that it's gonna work the way that it's gonna work is basically we're just asking for you to basically DM us a screenshot of you showing that you have subscribed, and that's it. Pretty plain simple, just for us to, that's probably the easiest way for us to confirm that you are subscribed, and that's all we're gonna ask for. So again, the link is in the bio to our Instagram account. Give us a DM with a screenshot of you subscribe to the channel, whether you're old or whether you're new. It's all fair. And yeah, you'll have a chance to win this. From when this video goes up, the window of when you can enter is going to be for a whole week. So as soon as you see the video upload, you have a week to enter. After that week, we'll write down the names, either put it in a jar or put it on a random app where you spin the wheel, whatever you guys have seen lately. And when we announce the winner, we'll contact you and get your information, size, and we'll send you one of these shirts out completely free. You don't have to do anything. That is just for us, just wanting to show love for everybody that has subscribed. And we'll probably do like giveaway stickers. We do have stickers that we've had for a while. It's just that we haven't shown them, and we'll probably pick a couple of random people, and same thing, we'll send you guys out some some merch, and we'll try to keep this going, since we do have now we have some of these shirts. So we'll probably do another giveaway pretty soon, probably for something different or just the same. We'll set another goal, and we'll give another shirt out, or probably do this time a hat and a shirt and a sticker, or do a little care package. But yeah, that is for the most part. So good luck to everybody, and make sure to send us you guys DMs with the screenshots, and we should be good. So once you guys see this video, once it's uploaded, we are live. So again, good luck to everybody. Thank you guys for subscribing, and stay tuned, and we got a lot more content waiting for you guys. So see you guys in the next one. Ciao.